Guys, what up? Guys, we're out here sneaker exchange round two, guys. We did 2016, but now we're doing 2017. Guys, we're out here at the lookout. If you just look at it, it's really beautiful, very aesthetic, guys. This time I came correct. I'm wearing real sneakers this time, not like last time. But anyway, that's beside the point, guys. Guys, we got some big artists today. We got Ricky Rick, we got Major League, we got Palm Paradise, guys. It's going down today. Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Yeah, we're watching with Fred Mercury, man. And Fred Mercury, my man, I'm seeing you wearing some really fresh kicks, and I just want you to tell us a bit more about it. Like what you're wearing.
I mean, these are some retro Air Force Ones. You know, the high top. I'm really like an old school dude as far as like silhouettes are concerned. I have like 3 or 4 silhouettes that I'm really into, and I have a lot of those in different colorways and different variations. Man, I'm not like really too adventurous. You know, the Cortez, the Air Force One, the Toki, and recently the. You see, now I'm blanking out, but yeah, I got some Air Force Ones. You know, I keep it simple. Yeah, that's what it is, man.
I see you, I see you. And I see you actually like, you look like you actually take care of your kicks, actually, man. So like I've seen like noticed in the culture in Cape Town where sometimes we actually let our sneaks get dirty and just leave it like that. I can see maybe you're not like one of those people. Am I seeing right or?
Yeah, I mean, you're absolutely right. I don't want to lie. Like, I'm one of those dudes who I like to keep things new as long as possible. So I'm one of those Ziploc guys. I don't want to lie. I know some sneakerheads hate that, but I keep my shoes in the Ziploc, you know, so that the aeration doesn't happen because that destroys the sole some of the time. So I keep my shoes in pristine shape. After I'm done with this, when I get home, I'm going to give them a little clean, and then I'll put them in the Ziploc and then back in the bag. You know, that's what I do. Back in the box.